Thank you so much for joining me as we are excited to announce our giveaway winners in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that we just recently had. I want to thank you all for your comments, for your encouragement, but most of all, I definitely want to thank you for your support. In my eyes, we are all winners, and if I could give each and every one of you a prize, I definitely would. But what I want you to do is ensure that you download our free ebook. I'll make sure that I put the link in the description box because this is free to all of you who want to download it. I think you can find some very useful information in there as you continue on your gardening journey. So as usual, what I did was go ahead and put everything in the Excel spreadsheet, and it took me a few days because I wanted to kind of walk away and come back to make sure that I had everyone that commented during the time frame. I wanted to make sure I include everyone's entry in there, and I did my whole randomize, and then we did our number generator from Google. So please join me in congratulating at RBCA0123 for our Instagram winner, and please join me in congratulating Steve Weber the Great for our YouTube winner. Again, I want to thank you all so much just for your support in watching our channel. And then thank you again for just all your beautiful words and your nice comments. So the link is in the description. Make sure you download our free ebook. As always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Congratulations again to the winner. If you're not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. We definitely have some more giveaways coming down the line. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you do the drop down to select all so that you'll get all the videos as we upload them. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.